Hello friends, in earlier videos recently I had discussed how to compute VIF, variance inflation factor. Now I need to use it, how to use this VIF for regression purpose. So friends, this is called stepwise regression. We do multiple regression and keep the best one. So there are two approaches, general to specific and other is specific to general. In this video I would discuss about general to specific modeling, and in the next video I would discuss specific to general modeling. So friends, here I have taken data. This data is the same data I had earlier used, like for ACC companies, daily data of some market variables like trade quantity, value, spot, or spot and futures market. So here I want to make some model. uh, this is my model. I just want to predict the volatility of spot market based on some variables like volatility of futures market and trade quantity of spot and value of spot. I'm just trying to make you understand this is not like exact right model as for theory. Simply just for uh, what I want to say here, ki you know as per the literature, this is dependent variable and it could be explained by some x number, n number of independent variables. Here I have taken 3, you could take 10, 15, whatever. As per the literature or theory, you know, these are the 3 variables, those could, or 5 variables, those could explain this dependent variable. So here I have considered only 3 variable for exposition purpose. Uh, and I have just taken an CR package for VIF computation. So what will I do? I would just make some regression. In this regression, I will just compute VIF for each independent variable. Here I am seeing friends, it's 1.23 for first variable, 26 for second variable, and 25 for third variable. The threshold is 5 I have considered here. It could be more as per the literature. So the highest is 26. So what do I need to do here? I need to remove this variable that has highest VIF 26. So I will remove that and I will rerun the regression. This was my first general regression. I am just removing the variable that is highly multi-correlated. Remove that variable and just run another regression in next step. That's why it's called stepwise regression. This is my first step. Now move to second step. In the second step, I would drop that variable with the highest VIF. So I'm just dropping this variable, trade quantity spot. I'm, by remaining two variables, volatility of futures and value spot, I am running it again. Next model and just computing VIF for this again. Now I can see it's less than 5 for the two variables I am using in the model. So friend, this is my model I need to keep for my paper or my purpose. So simply friends, in a nutshell, when you know some independent variables, sorry, when you know that this is your variable, independent variable, and it could be explained by some independent variables, you start with all of them at once, and then again step by step you look for VIF, like are they multi-collinear or not, or the variables with the highest VIF you are removing. So here I am considering VIF. You could also consider like the variable with highest so significance level like p-value. So similarly, but results would be similar or same almost. So this is the way friends we do general to specific regression. In the next video I will discuss how to do specific to general regression. Thanks for watching friends.